How do I learn web development? What should I start with? There are a few different routes you can take, but it is important to have a firm understanding of basic coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you have a handle on these foundational languages, you can start to build more complex websites and web applications. If you're not sure where to begin, there are plenty of resources available online and offline. Code Academy offers free interactive exercises to teach you how to code, while LinkedIn Learning with Linda, online training courses for creative, technology, business skills has thousands of video tutorials on everything from web design to front-end development. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, there are dozens of boot camps that will immerse you in the world of web development for a few intense weeks or months. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it interesting. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.